Hi everybody, let's see what we are going to create today. This presentation is really great. We are going to change its color and recreate it. I will create that, but without any explanation. Now I'm going to recreate that and give an explanation. We create a blank space. The hard part is to create these shapes, but it may look hard at first, but it's really easy, absolutely easy. The thing you need is that to create 3 of these shapes. So how we can create 3 of these shapes? It's really easy. The first thing you need is that to create a big shape from the shape. Let me find it. It's here. Yes. I create a big one. Don't forget to it must be a big one. And after creating that, you literally change the degree, and after that you need to insert another rectangle. After adding the rectangle, you change its color and align its center, middle. You see, from here we reduce its size a little. Okay, it's good. Now we press Ctrl A, go to shape format and then fragment. Delete. Your 3 shapes are ready. Now you need the text. These are 3 text, 3 normal text, nothing more. You copy them and copy this text, paste them here. Now we need to recolor them. You see, for the coloring of this thing, you format the shape of it. You go to the text file, and you see for the text fill we use gradient fill. Now we are going to use gradient fill again, but this time we are going to use gradient fill on this color. Okay. Now it's important to use one of this format that you like. We are going to use this format, and we are going to change these things colors also. I'm going to use this and the lighter one and the lightest. Okay, then we need to select these 3 shapes. Don't forget to always set the shape outline to none, and after that it's good to give this shape some shadows if you like. It's optional, but I'm going to give them. Okay, then copy this slide 1, 2, 3 times, increase the size of it here and increase the size of it here, and in the last slide increase the size of it here. Okay, now we need to just simply bring this up, copy that, delete this, paste that, delete this, paste that. Now we need to just copy the text, 1 text, 2 text, and the last text. The 2 text paste in the right slide, we cut it, paste it here. Now we select all the slides, set the transition to morph. And now you can see your presentation is ready. Let's take a look. It's as beautiful as possible. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.